You know, it really boils down to cost and convenience. If you're looking for a very convenient situation where the power from a standby generator provides all of the power you need inside your house automatically after a storm, then this is the way to go. As soon as it detects any power outage, you're good for power throughout the entire house. Now, a portable generator is a lot less convenient because you have to wheel it out, you have to gas it up, then you have to crank it either by a key start or pulling the cord in order to run all of the cords inside to power the essential items that you need after a storm. Cost-wise, of course, a portable generator will be less expensive, but you really have to weigh that convenience against the cost. You also, whether you have a portable generator or a standby generator, you have to make sure that it's sized properly for your home. That's when you really need the help of a professional.